In the last lecture, we have discussed the limitations of RC and LC oscillators. That in RC oscillator, resistance, capacitor, and inductance, these are varied due to temperature, and due to this, the frequency gets affected, and the frequency generated will not be of stable value. Now, to avoid these problems, another type of oscillators called crystal oscillators are used. And in crystal oscillator, a piezoelectric crystal is used in parallel resonant circuits, and that is used to provide high frequency stability in the oscillators. So in this lecture we will be discussing about crystal oscillators. So let's discuss piezoelectric effect first. Now in the crystal oscillator, so how crystal works? The crystal exhibits has the property that when a mechanical stress is applied across one of the faces of the crystal, then a potential difference is developed across the opposite faces of the crystal. When we apply a mechanical stress on one face of the crystal, then a potential difference is developed across the opposite face of the crystal. So another conversely, we can also say when a potential difference is applied across one of the faces, then mechanical stress is produced along the other face. So this effect is known as piezoelectric effect. In case of piezoelectric effect, what happens when a piezoelectric crystal, when a alternating potential is provided on a piezoelectric crystal, then it vibrates mechanically, and the amplitude of mechanical vibration becomes maximum when the frequency of alternating voltage is equal to the natural frequency of the crystal. Whenever the frequency of vibration of alternating voltage will be equal to the natural frequency of the crystal, then the amplitude of mechanical vibration becomes maximum. This is the circuit diagram of crystal oscillator circuit. In this we are using a crystal here in the collector circuit for producing the output. Here these are used for biasing, and this is used for as a bypass capacitor. Crystal oscillators have some advantages. They have high order of frequency stability, and the quality factor of crystal is very high, but it has some disadvantages. Crystals are fragile and can be used in low power circuits. It is not possible to use them for high power circuits. So most of the computer system or mobile like devices, we are using basically crystal oscillators for providing frequencies. It generates high frequencies. The frequency of oscillation cannot be changed appreciably.